Find the best mobility scooters for adults on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 9 best mobility scooters for adults on the market. 9. Titan Folding 3-Wheel Lightweight Electric Mobility Scooter. What a fancy way to get around. In many respects, this pick ranks high. The simple, straightforward design is the reason it can be easily steered one-handed. It is extremely portable, ergonomic, and ultralight, so it can be moved comfortably with the motor off. Other exciting features include a keyed ignition system, high-frequency horn, LED status indicator, and adjustable tiller level, among others. It is excellent value for the price, a worthy buy. 8. eWheels EW66 Electric Trike 3-Wheeled Mobility Scooter. This one gets a nod for having a 2-person carrying capacity while still riding on 3 wheels. This explains the exceptionally high carrying capacity and partly justifies the considerable 15 miles per hour top speed. Both the rider seat and back seat have been created with backrest and armrests, an amazing way to move around with your loved one. 7. Pride Mobility, Maxima Heavy Duty Scooter 3-Wheel Scooter. This 3-wheel mobility scooter may not be the most lightweight mobility scooter there is, but this is at an advantage. The ultra-heavy-duty drivetrain ensures the same excellent stability whichever your drive surface. So you get to enjoy it the most out of all seasons with your Maxima scooter. The seat has also been redone to give you more comfort. What else you will admire about this scooter is the durable one-piece frame construction, easily adjustable tiller, front anti-tip wheels, front headlight, and whisper-quiet drivetrain. Again, with their power package, you can still get a battery replacement for a defective one a year after your warranty has expired. 6. eWheels EW36 3-Wheel Electric Senior Mobility Scooter. So you want to make an entrance or turn some heads? This 3-wheel mobility scooter has been beautifully designed with foppish front-end looks of a superbike and a vibrant orange color, and no one will fail to notice it. It gets better with the 45-mile operating range. Surely, isn't that the furthest distance you'd want to go on your scooter? The armrest has a reverse switch so you can adjust to your preferred position. Though the scooter comes fully assembled, the automaker provides a smart charger and enough storage space in the large basket. This pick is certainly worth checking out. 5. Razor Pocket Mod Electric Scooters. Don't go past the Razor Pocket electric scooter if you like simple and stylish 2-wheel scooters. It is arguably one of the most stylish mobility scooters on the market. Other impressive characteristics that are notable include a retractable kickstand, variable speed acceleration, and a padded seat. Off and on the beaten path alike, the 12-inch ground clearance by the pneumatic tires couples perfectly with a rear suspension system for enhanced comfort. These wheels are super cool, and we would highly recommend them. 4. GoGo Ultra X 3-Wheel Travel Mobility Scooter. This is ideal for you if you want great comfort and functionality but also the ability to assemble and disassemble the scooter quick and easy. the auto-latching lock-up mechanism and the auto-connecting front-to-rear cable are specifically in place to make one-handed disassembling and assembling. The disassembled pack perfectly fits into the trunk of your average sedan for your convenience. With every purchase comes a convenient off-board dual-voltage charger that can charge battery pack on board or off-board. Though it ships fully assembled, it comes with a 48-volt lead-acid maintenance-free battery and a smart charger, 2 rear shock absorber for that smooth ride and enough storage space in the basket. It is great value for its price and surely worth going for. 3. E-Wheels EW11 Sports Euro Type Scooter. If you are looking for a sport scooter that looks good but still performs as expected, then this is one you should consider. It is designed with comfort, style, and durability in mind. It is clearly meant for a bike. The blistering 18 miles per hour top speed could be faster than your car on our congested highways. 2 heavy-duty shock absorbers are fitted, a front and rear suspension, so the scooter is easy on your back regardless of the terrain. Accessories that come with it are a large front basket and extra storage beneath the seat. 2. Victory 10 Pride 3-wheel electric scooter. The manufacturer chooses to retain most features that excited from the Victory 9 with plenty of other add-ons for comfort and function. The Victory 10 is tight, well made, and simple to operate, and you are sure to find a backlit battery gauge, a cup holder, a mega seat back bag, and a rear basket among others. An excellent safety pick too. The balanced engineering from the symmetry in its structure optimizes balance and stability, and comfort as well. Feather touch assembly feature means you can pull it apart and put it back together in only a couple of minutes. This option only comes bold blue but remains a stunner for its great functionality and lush looks. 1. Shoprider Sunrunner 4-wheel personal travel scooter. Not all mobility scooters are created equal. The Sunrunner 4 is the best of them all. The ride is solid and smooth, and the comfort great for the price. It is cool and comfortable, with a deluxe captain sliding and swivel seat for your comfort. Maximum stability assured by the 4 wheels. This versatile machine serves a different purpose from a motorized luxury wheelchair to a cargo hauler, thanks to its 300 pounds carrying capacity. The compact structure paired with the adjustable seats allows you to easily fit it into the trunk of your mid-size SUV if need be. Other notable features are the headlight, full tiller shroud, and a basket. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.